Are you overwhelmed by messy datasets? And struggling to find the right tools to clean and manipulate your data? You're not alone. In this video, we'll explore the most popular data cleaning and manipulation tools that can transform your raw data into actionable insights. Let's start with programming libraries, your best friend if you enjoy coding. In Python, the go-to library is Pandas. It offers powerful data frame manipulation, making tasks like filtering, aggregating, and reshaping data seamless. For numerical data, NumPy is essential, providing efficient operations on large arrays and matrices. Need to handle larger datasets? Dask scales Pandas-like operations across multiple cores and even clusters. For distributed data processing, PySpark is a top choice, leveraging Apache Spark for big data tasks. Our users aren't left behind. Dplyr provides a grammar of data manipulation, while Tidyr helps tidy up messy data for easier analysis. Not a fan of coding? No problem. Low-code and no-code tools are here to help. Alteryx Designer offers a drag-and-drop interface for advanced data cleaning. Trifacta suggests transformations automatically based on your data, making cleaning intuitive. Looking for an open-source solution? OpenRefine is perfect for clustering similar data entries and transforming text-heavy datasets. Enterprise-level data cleaning requires robust ETL tools. Talend offers pre-built connectors for seamless integration with various data sources. Informatica PowerCenter provides advanced data transformation and quality management, ideal for large organizations. Cloud-based data, AWS Glue Databrew lets you visually prepare and clean data within the AWS ecosystem. Google Cloud Dataprep, powered by Trifacta, automates data structuring and transformation for Google Cloud users. Microsoft's Azure Data Factory enables complex data pipelines and automated data transformations within the Azure ecosystem. Automate your workflows with Apache Airflow, a powerful orchestration tool. Prefer SQL? Tools like PostgreSQL and MySQL let you directly manipulate data using SQL queries. Do you want AI do the heavy lifting? TIBCO Clarity uses AI to assess data quality and detect anomalies. DataRobot automates data cleaning and feature engineering for machine learning projects. Here's a quick recap of the best tools by use case. For small to medium datasets, use Pandas or Power Query. Handling big data, use PySpark or Talend. Cloud data, go for Azure Data Factory or Google Dataprep. For advanced training or a personalized AI-powered one-to-one career mentoring program, please visit aicareerguru.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more tech insights.